Hello, everyone. I thought I'd try a video post this week. As I sat down to write, I probably ended up writing about 1,500 words on this topic with the combination of neoliberalism and then personal reflection on my practices. It ended up being like a rambling conspiracy theory type thing. Don't worry, I included some of the conspiracy theory thought in the text below, but I thought it'd be just as beneficial to do a video this time and talk about how my view of success has changed through exposure to different cultures and different environments. When I was in the U.S. and I taught at a low-income Title I school, I was very university based, even with my grade 3 students. Very um, university is the pathway to success and to happiness. And granted, you could do what you wanted to do, but you would be more successful, quote unquote, if you went through university. If you wanted to be a mechanic when you grew up, be a mechanic for a Formula One racer, not for working on Fords and Toyotas. If you want to be a contractor, why don't you build skyscrapers instead of sheds in the backyard? So that was kind of my approach. But when I think back to it, it was very centered around this idea of an American dream as a measure of success, having a big house and a nice car and disposable income and things like that as a measure of how do you know if you are successful or not. And as I travel and learn more and go to the Philippines and see somebody living on the beach with coconuts, selling coconuts and just happy as can be and enjoying life and thinking about a adverse definition of what success is, it made me kind of question why. Why did I have this view, or why did I push this onto my students and question the basis of American education as it's connected to neoliberalism in the first place? I mean, as far as I'm concerned, the majority of teachers in the U.S. are pushing for this idea of higher education, not just because we believe in education, but we want our students to have the opportunities to be successful. Again, defining success off of the American dream and this idea of materialism being a reflection of people valuing our work, right? So if somebody values our work, they pay us more, and if they pay us more, we can demonstrate that through owning a variety of things. And how it's kind of infected this idea of success in America, this idea that we need to contribute positively to a global economy in order to be successful. So that's my view on this. I know it's a little bit out there, but I thought I'd give the video a try. I enjoyed the readings, and I look forward to reading everybody's post.